Yo, what's going on today, guys? I'm going to be talking to you about Raen sunglasses. These are the Benson wireframe model. Raen makes a ton of awesome sunglasses for men and women, all styles. These ones in particular I really liked. I've always been into the wireframe sort of look. I'm going to talk a little bit about these. These ones, yeah, like I said, they're the Benson model. They have kind of a classic yet contemporary mix for the style. They're flash mirror lenses, and then you have a nice thin round wire frame, which is cool because it really fits for any look that you'd be going for. You know, it's kind of a universal look for men and for women. Let's get talking about the frame a little bit. So as you can see, this is like a silver alloy. Silver kind of has a gold tint to it as well. It's a really nice polished look, especially along these areas right here. The bridge on the nose, it's all this really nice, smooth, polished look. And then for the, it's gonna be sort of hard to tell, but you can see, if I can just focus on it, the lenses are kind of this like coin polished look. They almost look like, there you go, like it's like almost like the edge of a nickel, which is really nice. It has this kind of like ridge feel to it. And overall, it just feels really sturdy and strong. It doesn't feel like if I put it in my pocket or like a bag or something that it's gonna bend. Yeah, and then you also have, of course, like, you know, your standard like silicone nose pads that are right here, really comfortable. As for the hinges, these are monoblock hinges right here. The screws and the hinges themselves are again like very sturdy. Sunglasses, I feel like you open them and they just kind of swing out, and they don't really have any like hold to them. These have hold. Like I could keep it right there in that position and move it around and it will still hold. That was like a problem I think with a lot of my other pairs of glasses, is that those hinges weren't very strong, and lots of times, first of all, I would lose screws all the time with cheaper pairs of glasses that I had in the past. And these would just end up kind of just snapping or something if they had any pressure applied to them. And I really do believe a lot of that had to do with the fact that the hinges weren't very strong. So it's nice to finally feel like, you know, I have something that's I could put on my face and it's, you know, really sturdy. And then on the back here, right over your ears, these are really nice, really comfortable. Of course, they're inscribed right here with the manufacturer, and they kind of have, I don't know, that I'm not really sure what you call that pattern, but it's that kind of that classic, like not necessarily cheetah print, but close to that style. Really cool. And then as for the lenses, these are what I really like the most about these pairs of glasses. I've never been a fan of like full-on mirrored glasses. I don't know why, it's just not really my style. These are cool because they're like basically half mirrored. When you put them on your face, you can still see your eyes, but not all the way. They're a dark, kind of brown, polarized lens. They really actually have quite a bit of sun protection, and which I was actually kind of surprised by, just because they're not fully mirrored. But yeah, they have UV protection. Really nice flat profile, which I also dig. You can see it maybe just curves out a tiny bit towards the center, but not too much. Overall, I feel like compared to most glasses, it's a very flat profile. And then of course you have the Raen symbol inscribed right there at the top. Yeah, I mean, these are just a really quality pair of glasses. I learned about this company through a friend. He recommended them and really love them. The one thing that I also dig was they came with a nice little carrying pouch, which I always seem to, you know, disregard when getting sunglasses, to have like a nice pouch to carry them in. The thing about this is it's not bulky. Obviously you can see it's pretty much, when there's no glasses in there, that's about as thick as like looks like maybe like a dishwashing sponge. Thinner than that even. Got the really nice little leather Raen inscription on the front. Nicely sewn. And it's kind of got this like wool material. It's really, really soft. Same thing on the inside, so you can put your glasses in it and not have to worry about them being scratched or whatever. And then you also have this nice little tab here right on the side. Assume this can, it's a tag, but I feel like it can also be used if you want to loop it around like a bag or something like that. Yeah, it's just a really, really nice little accessory to go with the glasses. I would highly recommend these glasses to anyone who really likes that classic sort of look. And they really, really fit nicely. I kind of have a wider face, though I know they make these in different sizes, one for wider faces and one for a more narrow face. I think these are 51s. If you look at the sizing, these are 51s, these are the bigger ones. But yeah, they're just a really, really nice fit. I would highly recommend them. All right, take it easy, y'all.